my name is Suraj and you're watching Suraj Hacks. Today I'm going to show you some specifications or the review of Vivo Z1X. So guys, let's start with the video. You can see that this design of this phone is quite good. It looks decent enough and the sides are also well enough. You can see there's a notch camera on the left hand side of the screen, top left hand side, and you can see the look of the screen. It is good enough. Now coming to the back side of the screen, you can see that it has got 3 cameras and a flashlight and also a fingerprint sensor, and this is the look for the back side. It is quite good enough, not so good. You can see the side of the screen, it is also good enough. It has got volume up down button and a power button, and the second side has got uh, the SIM ejector and all everything. Sorry, the SIM side, and it is also good. Now this is the upper side of the mobile and this is the lower side. It has got an audio jack, a microphone and a flashlight, then a charger port, then also one more flashlight, and there's the speaker. Now coming to the processor, this phone has got 712 Qualcomm Snapdragon processor and a battery backup of 5000 mAh battery. Now this is the camera specifications, 8 megapixel camera, 16 megapixel and a 2 megapixel camera. Now this is the view of the camera from this phone, and these are the photos obtained from this phone, the normal mode and the night mode. And these are the some highlights which this phone has got: Center Turbo, Net Turbo, AI Turbo, Game Turbo, Cooling Turbo, and everything is written on it. You can pause the video and check closely. Many things are given on it, and you can also visit the website. Now here are some of the specifications this phone has got. This phone has got 6.53 inches of display, Qualcomm Snapdragon 712 processor, then 4GB RAM and 64GB ROM, 34 megapixel in display camera, 16 megapixel, 8 megapixel and 2 megapixel AI triple rear camera, 5000 mAh battery, 18 watt fast charging, then Wilderain L1 support, multi-turbo, ultra game mode. Now these are all for the specifications. Now coming to the color combination. This phone has got 3 combinations. You can see that 3 combinations: 4GB RAM and 64GB ROM, 6GB RAM and 64GB ROM, and 6GB RAM and 128GB ROM. You can go for any combination. I'll give the link in the description. If you like this phone, you can buy it from there. So that's all guys for this video. Like this video, share this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.